Hello South Africa, welcome back. Thank you for joining me again, and thank you so much for all the likes and the subscriptions to the channel. It's really an encouragement to me. It means that you find what I'm saying valuable, so please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, so today's video is about applying for your essential services permit. So 3 things in today's video. What is an essential service? Number 1. Number 2, which businesses qualify as essential service? And number 3, how do you go about applying for an essential service? You need an essential services permit in order to function during lockdown. And let me be very clear, an essential services permit is not a free pass to defy all laws regarding lockdown and function and earn money. It's not about that. An essential services permit is where the government allows you to operate as a business with a skeleton staff so that you can provide essential services that help South Africans through this time that we're in. So I've given you clarity over point number 1, what is an essential service. Point number 2, does your business qualify as an essential service? You're going to look at the slide to follow, and then you're going to define that yourself. And like I've mentioned, if you need more clarity on that, please feel free to ask me, and I'm more than happy to give you that clarity. And number 3 is, how do you go about applying for your essential services permit? Before I even elaborate on the how part of applying for your permit, I'd like to make sure that you understand that this video is to help you provide an essential service if you are an essential service. Please do not take the information I'm giving you an opportunity to defy the law. The best way to combat this virus is stay home and to avoid transmission. Back to how to apply for your work services permit. Once you've established which category your business falls into, you're going to go onto BizPortal. Now there's going to be a slide that comes up with the full address name. So you're going to go onto BizPortal, and once you're on there, you're going to click on the services section, and it's going to take you through to the application. You fill out the application, and then your permit will be issued to you. Keep in mind that applying for the permit is a very easy task. But what happens is, if you apply for a permit and you get one and you are not an essential service, or you are defying the law, then the penalties are severe and the penalties are intense. Good luck with your essential services permit. Please use it responsibly, and in the next videos to come, I'm going to give you a few more tips on what your business should do once lockdown is over to gain momentum again. Have a good night. Take care. Bye.